Are you tired of your old display name on Twitter? This guide will show you how to change it in just a couple of seconds, so follow me. We're going to open the X app on our mobile phone and then make sure you're logged into your Twitter account. I'm now on my home page, and in order to change our name, we'll have to access the profile page. So I'm going to tap on the profile picture located at the top left corner of my screen until this side menu appears. After that, you'll simply tap on the profile option at the very top. You'll then get to your X profile, and you can see that my display name is Marshall Jackson. But how do I change this? It's pretty simple. Just tap on the Edit Profile option right here, then change your name by typing in something else. When you're done and you're happy with your new name, click on the Save option located at the top right corner of the screen in order for your new Twitter name to be saved. So tell me in the comments down below if this video helped you out, and tell me which tutorial you need in the future. I'll make sure to make one and upload it to the channel as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.